In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of identity and access management, also known as IAM. IAM plays a crucial role in cybersecurity by tracking user identities and controlling their access to digital assets. Let's explore what IAM is, how it works, and why it's so important. At its core, IAM is not just a solution, but a framework that encompasses security policies, business processes, and technologies. Its primary goal is to protect digital assets, such as data and applications, by managing the digital identities of users within information systems and networks. IAM covers both identity management, which tracks who users are, and access management, which determines their level of access to systems and networks. The components of IAM include various technologies that enable IT managers to control access to digital assets. By leveraging these technologies, organizations can achieve functionalities like user identification, defining user roles and access privileges, managing user identities and roles, and assigning access privileges based on roles or groups. Role-based access control, or RBAC, is an essential concept within IAM. It allows administrators to group users based on their access needs and define roles accordingly. For example, an accounting manager may have greater access privileges than an entry-level accounting staffer. RBAC streamlines access management by assigning specific tasks or permissions to groups of users, reducing complexity and potential risk exposure. Now, let's take a closer look at how IAM works. The identity management process begins with verifying a user's login attempt against their profile in the identity management database. This is facilitated by capturing and recording user login credentials and maintaining a centralized directory service. User authentication is then performed by matching various attributes like username-password pairs or personal information. Multi-factor authentication is increasingly used to enhance security, especially in cloud computing environments. In the access management process, IAM solutions keep track of the digital assets each user is authorized to access. This is done through RBAC or other access management rules. By ensuring proper authorization, IAM enables secure access to resources while preventing unauthorized users from gaining entry. Now let's address the importance of identity and access management. Without IAM, organizations would face significant security risks, as anyone could access sensitive information in systems. An ad hoc approach to identity and access management, handling each system separately, is inefficient and prone to vulnerabilities. IAM provides a centralized and structured framework that enhances security by authenticating users and controlling their access privileges. IAM offers several benefits when implemented correctly. It improves security outcomes by detecting security policy violations and enforcing policies effectively. IAM also mitigates insider threats by limiting access to authorized users, protecting sensitive areas of the IT infrastructure. Additionally, IAM addresses one of the most significant security issues: weak passwords. By eliminating weak passwords, IAM enhances overall security posture and helps prevent data breaches. Another advantage of IAM is its compatibility with AI-based cybersecurity tools. IAM solutions can integrate with extended detection and response (XDR) solutions, allowing them to analyze IAM data for anomalies that could indicate a potential cyber attack. This proactive approach enhances threat detection and response capabilities. In conclusion, IAM is a critical element of an organization's security efforts. It ensures a strong security posture, aids in regulatory compliance, protects sensitive data and applications, and enforces security policies. With IAM, only authenticated and authorized users can access the assets they're entitled to, enhancing overall cybersecurity. To learn more about cybersecurity, visit nonamesecurity.com.